Good morning or good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be learning about one-point perspective. One-point perspective is a technique that artists use to create the illusion of space. You can use this technique to draw cities, and it's one of the elements of art, space. Artists use one-point perspective to show objects face on. Most lines are vertical, horizontal, or orthogonals. It helps them see an image that they're trying to paint and choose a vanishing point to get all the lines to go to. So in a city drawing, you would start with a line and then create a vanishing point, add a shape, and connect those lines to the vanishing point. What we're going to work on today is thinking of a word, a positive word, a word of affirmation. Word of affirmation could be something you value, like kindness or support, care, love. I'm choosing the word grateful, and we're going to turn it into a bubble letter. When I created these letters, I made them widely spaced apart, so I recommend doing that. Then I'm going to choose a vanishing point near the bottom of the paper. I'm going to go to the edge of every letter and create a line that starts at the edge of the letter and leads right down to the vanishing point. As you can see, I'm holding my ruler very firmly, and when you use a ruler, your lines are crisp and sharp. I would use a pencil if I were you, and I would kind of draw my lines lightly in case you have to erase anything. But in this video, I'm using a colored pencil so that you can see it. You can create dots where you know the point from the edge of that letter is going to reach the vanishing point. If you're left-handed, then you might lead the lines down to the vanishing point like this with your ruler. It helps if you have a sharpened pencil. And I'm just going to carefully line up the edge of the letter to the vanishing point. Just moving my ruler, but staying with the vanishing point. That's how you create the illusion. This is a helpful practice for you to learn how to do one-point perspective, and then eventually you can create city drawings and all kinds of drawings using perspective and creating that illusion of space. Using your ruler is really important, and then identifying the edges of the letters, even curved letters. So if you finish that, then you're going to go ahead and choose a color scheme. These color harmonies really give a united look in your picture. You could choose primary colors, secondary colors, warm colors, cool colors. It's gonna give your picture unity. So I'm just gonna outline it with a marker. Maybe I'll create a pattern with the warm colors. It's important to just focus and take your time. I sped this video up, but in reality, I'm taking my time and doing my best. If your marker is out of ink, please put it in one of these recycle bins. I actually recycle these and send them back to Crayola so that they can be recycled and become new markers. So as you can see, I chose the warm colors and I'm just outlining. Click the marker cap back on, and if you finish that, you can start coloring the letter with colored pencil. Next time, we'll talk about how to color using value. I hope you enjoy this 1-point perspective practice.